Hi, this is Med from Educative Technology. I'm back to you with another powerful AI tool to help you with your own teaching. Let me introduce you to this tool called ALmanack. Hopefully I'm saying it right. This is a powerful AI teaching assistant that will help facilitate both your teaching and administrative tasks. Let's jump right in and explore the different tools ALmanack offers to us teachers and educators. So when you log in, on the left-hand side is where you will have access to the different features provided by ALmanack. Let's first start with the lesson planning here. Click on lesson planning and then we'll add a new lesson. Click on new lesson and type in the name of a course, or if you've already created a course, choose it. I have a course I created before. So let's say it's a social studies for grade 9, for instance. Okay, click on create new course and then grade level. I write here grade 9 and click on add. All right, so now we have our course created. We'll go here and click a lesson title, for instance, World War II, and then click on create a lesson. You can use this curriculum expectations if you want to add standards to your lesson. Here the learning objectives. The ALmanack AI has already generated 5 learning objectives for this lesson plan on World War II. You can regenerate using AI, or you can click on edit and then edit the learning objectives to make them customized to your own teaching. So down here is where you get to add resources to your lesson plan. For instance, you can click on attach video, or you can attach a file or a link from a website, or you can use AI to generate whatever resource you want. Simply type in your prompt and ALmanack will provide the resource you want. Once done, come here and click on create a lesson plan. So ALmanack provides you with a pre-made template that you can use for this lesson plan. You can always modify it later on. Let's click on use this template. So as you can see here is the full lesson plan. All the sections of the lesson plan very well structured. You can always click on edit to edit any section of your lesson plan. You can click on the suggested sources to see which sources the ALmanack has provided for me. For instance, I can use this presentation generation here to create a slide deck that outlines the main causes and key events leading to the outbreak of World War II. Just simply click on it. And you can see here the learning objectives of your lesson and instructions. You can always edit whatever you want here. Then click on next. Now select the theme you want for your presentation. Let's select this color here and click on create. And as you can see here is the final presentation the ALmanack has provided for me. A full presentation with different slides and visuals. It looks pretty amazing. You can always click to edit the presentation, and if you're okay with it, you can go ahead and click on looks good, save this, and your presentation will be added as a resource to the lesson you have just created. The same thing with other features here. For instance, if you want to add a video from YouTube that discusses World War II, click here and ALmanack will provide you with suggestions on videos to include. As you can see here is a collection of YouTube videos that ALmanack has suggested to add to my lesson here. They are all on the topic of World War II. This is an amazing way to quickly find video content to enrich your lessons. If you like any of the videos, simply click on attach the lesson and the video will be added to your lesson plan, and you will find it in the resources section. So once you're okay with the final lesson plan, you can come up here and click on share to export it in various formats, including a PDF, as a Google Docs, or in Word format. And so you can always access the lessons you created from my lessons tab. So here is the lesson we have just created. You can click on it and you can further edit it and save the last version. All right, so that's about how to create a lesson plan and add resources to it. And so when you come here to my resources tab is where you will find all the resources you've added to your lessons. For instance, the video on World War II we've just added. Here it is here in the resource section. The same thing with other resources we've created. So it's an efficient way to quickly browse through the resources you have used in your lessons. For instance, you can use the same resource in other lessons, or you can generate other resources too. And now we move on to the Edu Slides feature. This feature allows you to generate a formatted slide deck with images for a lesson that you've created. Simply come here, choose the course. For instance, let's choose the course we've created, and then choose a lesson. And you can customize again here the learning objectives. You can also provide specific instructions. And if you want to add the resources, click on the resources here and then click on next and choose a theme for your presentation and click on create, and your presentation will be generated. You can then edit it, and when you're done, click on save to save it to your resources page. Now let's move on to the AI tools. ALmanack provides a wide collection of AI tools to use in your teaching. These AI tools are arranged into different categories here. There is the lesson planning, worksheets, study aids, assessment, differentiation, classroom activities, games, curriculum design, and ESL, ELL. Click on any category here and you'll be able to access the AI generators it includes. For instance, let's click on lesson planning, and we'll see here we have different AI generators to use to help you with your lesson planning. For instance, let's click on a flashcards. Basically, this tool allows you to create flashcards for your lessons. Simply choose your course again, and then choose your lesson and customize the learning objectives, provide instructions, and then click on create, and the flashcards will be created instantly. Then you can edit them and customize them to your own teaching needs. So the same thing with other AI tools. So you can use any AI tool here. So there are AI tools for generating games. There are AI tools for creating worksheets, for group activities, for feedback, for creating rubrics, and many more. Browse through the collection here. There are many AI tools that will help you throughout the process of designing your lesson plan and coming up with instructional resources to use with it. And our last feature is the reports card. It's basically a feature that is only available to premium users, and if you're a free user, you still have a chance to try it out once. And what it does is it only provides feedback on students' work. You can upload students' assignment and generate custom feedback. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Always looking forward to your feedback. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.